up, gang.
Ka-chow. Bam! Scared ya.
Wait,
Whoa!
I've tried to say hello 4 times now, and you keep just going, "Wah!"
Sorry.
Bad whale. So today we're working on Ilshana. So this is the Spooky Uki. She's a 30-minute sisters kit, but she already... Can I help you?
Look at him.
It was like a magic trick. I moved the box and there's a cat there. It has some...
Oh, very nice.
For the third attempt, she's got little skull wands, and her wings look kind of skull-ish.
Harry Potter, the boy who lived, come to die. Oh my god!
Base kit. Optional body parts. So this belly, but this top, and these bottoms.
I like that they censored her booty with an 8.
This one. So this one comes with some extra weaponry and a couple accenting pieces here.
I like the scissors a lot.
Shears. Mm-hmm. You could do a
She's a gardening
Shinigami
girl.
Reaper, and then it comes with a little homie.
A little boy?
A little friendo. Team.
Oh my goodness.
This don't eat
Don't eat the booty!
No!
Whoa, he just bit his ass.
I thought he was gonna bite the tail, and he bypassed the tail and bit his... Are you okay?
Straight up bit his ass.
Sweetie.
Yeah, and
Normal mode here to the left, armored mode here to the right. Okay. There's a torso and a head.
I remember you like breaking your leg because you would sleepwalk and you fell down the stairs.
We had a baby gate at the top of the
funny.
stairs because I would sleepwalk down the stairs.
It's not funny.
Do a couple somersaults, call it a day.
It's not funny that you hurt yourself. But just that you sleptwalked down the stairs and you fell just tickles my funny bone in a certain way.
Yeah, true champion.
Yeah.
My bedroom was exactly at the top of the stairs.
Exactly.
Where else was I gonna go? Was I gonna turn in my sleep? No.
No.
You go straight down.
Sleepwalking down the stairs. It's not funny, guys. I like her a lot. Whoa! Whoa, that's scary. That's really scary. I think she looks wonderful.
She's just missing legs, and then we'll have to build the optional weapons, or optional body kits, body parts.
Had a very cozy...
No!
Had a very cozy weekend. She wants to fight.
Chaos!
Oh my god! Deja vu?
Don't eat it!
Which kit is cat? This is stinky, smelly, small brain, black version.
It's in the doorway.
Oh, mister. Buddy, do you want this?
He's like, there's too much going on here.
Oh! You guys see that hop? Do you want this?
Why is he so savage? Pretty cute, huh?
That is cute. I like it.
I like that hair a lot. You could always swap it and paint it if you like that hair better than this hair.
No, I like that hair.
You like the short one?
Yeah.
It gave us an extra face, which I thought was sick. From this kit specifically, I want the thighs
In the top
and the torso.
piece, right?
Oh, I think I wanted to swap her panties too. Because these panties just had more detail pieces. These are just pure white.
Inappropriate.
What else do you want me to call that?
Tidy whities like a normal person. Oh, he's going. I told you.
He's swiping the... Sir!
Damn, he's really going
Here,
for
you
it.
can have this.
Oh, isn't that nice?
He's murdering him.
Get out.
Get out of my box. Can I have her to swap her?
Yes.
Swap her out? So this is the torso we have now. This is the torso we had. Pantsu.
Pantsu.
So this swapped out. They're all optional parts for... I don't want to say this kit specifically because all of the 30-minute sister optional sets can be used interchangeably on any of the other 30-minute sister kits. Ooh, yeah, see, I like that line down. I think that's really cute.
Yeah.
You took my waifu apart?
Yeah.
Her body's finished. She's just headless because
There you go.
you've stolen her head. Here you go. So here's the version with the changed out. Peanut took her teeth, so if she ignore her mouth. And now I have the additional weapon pack that I can go through. Okay, here's the scissors.
Love.
I like the scythe. I think the scythe is magnificent.
I want to do both.
You can make it a bone scythe.
Yeah, I want to do both. I want them both to be bone.
Okay, that tail looking cool.
I love it. Oh, you did get it to connect.
I did something different than what I was supposed to do.
You're so crafty.
So this is what the body's looking like with the changes that we've made. So she's still got the skull in this one. We changed out the torso, we changed out the bottom, added the tail, created a scythe, scissors that actually like open. Yeah, see, it's not super steady, but...
The scythe and tail are pretty sweet. Yeah.
Peanut got her wish, she got the shark teethy in.
Yay, the shark teeth.
So we initially had this torso with the kit.
We were talking, everyone agrees we like the original chest, but we're gonna let you cook.
Everyone likes the original one better?
Yeah.
There wasn't a whole lot going on with the original one. I like the additional pieces on this one.
Yeah, we're letting you cook.
Well, I think everyone can agree that we like the pantsu better.
Yeah.
This was the original.
It was so out of place.
So I think this one will look nicer.
Way nice. I like the shoes and the
I
bows.
can pop this one back in.
No, we're letting you cook.
Well, I'm done cooking. That's it. She's been cooked.
She's been baked. She's ready to serve. Just leave it. Leave it.
No!
Don't touch it. Leave it.
You can't make me. She's coming apart.
She's coming apart, gang.
There, you guys got the flat booba.
We didn't want you to change it. You silly goose.
It is what it is.
Booba. Hi.
Okay, so all in all then, all we changed for the kit today was pantsu.
Holy shit, she has
thigh
a scorpion?
straps.
Yeah.
And
Her
tail piece.
her totally normal tail that everyone has. I just vaccinated you. You're cured. Okay. Ka-chow. Silver blades. Just gonna close
She did
these
some
guys up.
accenting and paneling on the Ilshana, so if I do a little zoomy zoom here. She's got a little bit more detailing. It's a little harder to see, but she's got like a shiny gloss over top of the clothes now, and she's got some silver accenting here.
Booty.
Changed all the orange to a darker orange color, added some inserts to the bows. Now she's working on the weapons.
Mm-hmm. Kitchen scissors.
Here, your Peanut's problem now.
Oh, look at him, look at him, look at him.
I know, his paw keeps shaking.
Oh, you got it. Oh, you're fast.
She's looking very similar to the actual box image, but we did a couple updates.
Mm.
She's gripping those pretty hard.
I know.
That's very sturdy.